gonna demonstrate loop custom scheme builder. If you have seen such layouts like a rental property such as this is the car rental or a job posting or your like a course layout or such a charity layout. So see, these kind of layouts are not easily made by the pre-made templates or pre-made structures. So these kind of layouts you need to make by yourself with using any custom post types and with the custom post type values. So today I'm gonna demonstrate how you can create such layouts using WordPress add-ons, Elementor Pro and some other custom post plugins. So let's start with our layout. So first of all, you have a single custom scheme layout like this, in which we have used one layout. Let's go to dashboard. First of all, I want to show you that we have made this layout using the posts, right? So you can see the post over here. This is the post title, in a cold night with yellow light, and you can see the title over here. You can see its feature image which is over here, and that is available here, right? Now this is the city, New York City, right? So that is the field we got here from the ACF. You must know about the ACF, or you can look into this URL to figure it out. We will show you in depth about that as well. Like this is the value from there. These are the other values which are made from the ports and Toolset. So these three plugins we have used. You can use one of these plugins, or if you don't need those, you can make with just a WordPress default values, which is title, the description, short description, tags, feature image, etc. So let's see the first layout how we have built. So for that you need to go to the dashboard again. Each and every layout we made using Elementor templates. So in a templates, let's go to the new template. Let's add new. From that we will select the section. We will give a name. Right. We will create a template. We don't need any pre-built blocks, right? This is our template and our section. So now if you want to create anything, you just need to add a row. Then you can select image first. In the image you can select the post feature image or any value from the ACF toolset or the ports. So let's select the feature image. Then we want a title. Then we can do like this. We can select the title. Let's make it a bit proper. We love poppings. Let's make it 18. And let's make it center. Now we are adding post accept here, so all the information about that will be visible over here. We'll make it align center and we are publishing it. Now if you want to use this template, you just need to go to any page and there you can add a new row. There is the widget called dynamic listing, which is available in the plus add-ons. You just need to put there. You can select the post type over here. We will make a detailed video about dynamic listing in our next episode of our YouTube channel, so stay tuned with us. Right now we are selecting the normal page, the post, we are selecting the style. In the style you need to select the custom scheme. Now once you select the custom scheme, you will have option to select a template. So we need to figure out which template we made recently. So if you have made any template, it will be visible over here. Right now we cannot see our template because we recently made it. So for that now let's check it out. We need to select a template. In the template we need to find out which template we made. We have made name of template. We need to select that, and you will see this is the feature image, this is the title, and this is the action. So you can see that over here that we made the same from here. All we do is we selected dynamic value for each one. We have selected a loop and it will be here like this. There are lots of other options to grid, masonry, metro, but we will discuss that in the another video. But right now you can see how we made a different layout. Now let's see how to use ACF. Right? You can figure it out how to set up initially using this URL, and you will get a documentation from here. Now let's see what we have set up in ACF. First of all, in the ACF you need to make one field. We already made a blog field, and in that we have label city. You can see all the settings over here. There isn't any settings much, and you need to update, and you will have a city label in your ACF field. Now let's go and check it out in our template. Let's go to the Elementor template. Here we already made one template. You can find it out, and in that template, first of all we have selected featured image, which is from the dynamic. After that we have selected post title over here. Then we have selected a layout from the ACF. Here we have used info box, or you can use any of your widget. You can select the text field or whatsoever, but from the dynamic you need to find out your ACF values. In the ACF value you will find ACF field, right? Once you select that and you click again, you will find out how many fields you already have. So from the blog we will select the city over here. Once you select the city, you will not see any value over here, but once you update it and in a dynamic loop you will select that we already have selected that ACF section here, section 1-ACF, and you will see the New York City NY, Urban City NY, and so on. So these are the values are already available in the blog post. Like this. If you update this value and you will press the update, it will change. Like from New York, it will be a new value. You can see it over here. So by this way you can change all the settings and you can add your custom links. You need not to use the only post, you can use any of your custom link, custom post type, and you just need to select that custom post type in a dynamic listing over here. So all your custom post types will be available here and you just need to select one from there. Now let's check out the same for the pods. You need to install pods, and in the pods admin you need to create one label. We already created a label called post author name. You can see it over here, right? Again we have added that in the posts. So you need to go to the post, you need to edit it. Once you edit it, you will have option for the author name, which you can see here. Now let's again go to the template, because everything we manage from the templates. In the template we have selected a ports value from here. In the dynamic we went to post field, post data field, but here we have selected post field, and once you click that you will have option to select the label from that. So we have selected post author name, and once you update it, and when you refresh it over here, you will find out this layout. This layout we have created in this demo, and you can see all the ports value available over here. So this way you can use lots of layouts based on your needs. These are just a demo of one field, but you can use multiple ways and as per your needs. Like if you want to make any complex layout such as this, then you just need to put the icons over here. You can make a icon field from the ACF and you just need to connect those using Elementor Pro. And keep in mind, you always need a Elementor Pro for this functionality. So you need to purchase the Elementor Pro from their official site and you can use that out. If you have any questions, feel free to write below because we will answer you all. We are also going to make one blog post about this, so you will have idea of step by step how to make such a skin for your loop. So thanks for watching and keep crafting amazing website using WordPress add-ons and Elementor page builder. See you in the next video.